Okay, so in this tutorial we're going to learn how to access the deep web anonymously via the Tor Browser Bundle. Just a word of warning, this video is for educational purposes only, so anything you do with this information is your own responsibility and you do it at your own risk. So first what we want to do is download the Tor Browser Bundle. So we go to open your web browser and go to torproject.com. This will take you to the Tor main page where you can download Tor itself if you want, but we want to go and get the Tor browser. All the links for this will be in the description, by the way, so you don't need to worry about typing it in yourself. Download the Tor browser bundle and choose the language and operating system you want and download it. Mine's already on the desktop, so we're going to go ahead and do that. Once it's downloaded, go ahead, just double click, choose the language, install. I'm going to install it to my desktop because it's convenient to access. You can install it wherever. May take a while, may not. Once it's done, just go ahead and run it, or if you want to run it again, you just go back to that folder you installed it into, Tor Browser, start Tor Browser. And this will create a window in the top left hand corner here, where if you are using a censored, filtered, or proxied internet, you are going to need to configure it to your ports. But assuming most people won't, we're going to go ahead and just click connect. And this will connect us to the Tor network via a relay, which basically goes from many different connections, anonymizing our identity. But all anonymous features have their weaknesses, but yeah, chances are it'll be fine. So now that we're here, it's opened up the Tor browser, which looks unsurprisingly like Firefox because it's just an edited version pretty much, just with a whole bunch of add-ons, start page search and stuff. But if we go ahead and test Tor network settings, you'll see that it says, well, if your Tor is working properly, it'll say, congratulations, this browser is configured to use Tor. Your IP address appears to be 199.48.147.41, which is some random country I'm not sure of. But if we go to Chrome and we go to, say, ipcheckin.com and check our own IP, you'll see mine is 119, and then this is blacked out for security reasons. But see, the 119 is different because that one's 199. 119. And if you want to say you want to create a new identity, say this one's going slow or something, you can go here, click the onion here, new identity, and it will start it again, and you go back here and it will be a new IP address, which is quite handy. See, our IP address is now 77.247.181.162. But now there's not really much else we can do with this page as such, so we'll go to the directory, or one of the main directories, the Hidden Wiki, which is a .onion link, which I cannot remember off by hand, so I had to write it down. Again, it'll be in the description along with a bunch of other directory links, which you cannot access via Chrome or any other browser that's not configured to use Tor and read .onion. It just won't understand it. And again, the Hidden Wiki or any deep web link will take a while to load if it's on a relay like this, because it's going through many different connections. And again, this video is for educational purposes only, and there are a lot of links on the site that you do not want to click, or at least I don't want to click, so let's just leave it at that. You can read the matrix if you want, apparently, or exit the matrix. But no, there are many different search engines for, like, anonymous DuckDuckGo, which is searches the ClearNet, which is just searching the surface web anonymously. Or you can go ahead and search the deep web via Tor search, or these ones, which search for hidden services. Many financial, commercial, hosting services, blogs, forums, chans, boards, etc. And also different languages and IRCs, and yeah. But if you come back up here, we'll go ahead and click one of these. We'll just go to the DuckDuckGo one, because why not? As you can see, it's an onion link, not the DuckDuckGo website or the Surface Web website, so it's different. But if we also copy this address and we paste it into Chrome, for example, it will not load. Chrome will not understand it. Chrome will not be able to find it. It will just kind of error out and not do anything. As you can see, oops, Google Chrome could not find the onion. But whereas here, which tries to draw data on a canvas, which I don't really care about at the moment, but you can install stuff to the browser as well. But we've got the search bar here, which is being read contrary to Google. So with Tor, you can read this. Without, you can't. Simple. And so now that you're on the deep web, there are many different links you can go to. I'll leave you to explore that. Again, all the links will be in the description below, and especially many more directories, so have a look out for that. And thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed or found this tutorial interesting. If you did, don't forget to rate, like, subscribe, comment. I guess rating and liking are exactly the same thing, unless you dislike. But yeah, just do whatever if you like this video. And yeah, hopefully we'll see more tutorials out soon. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you later.